in that case, they are working under a parang sword if they are not liable. Meaning to say, wala silang kasali. But kung nakasali yung mga yan, hindi na rin natin pakinabangan yan whether they are really productive at this time or not. For the simple reason that we have to move fast. And if we have to move fast, I will sacrifice you even if you are not really a laggard or something. Mahirap kasi itong Pilipino hindi na natuto. Kakasabi ko lang, I count when I give an order for something to be done, hindi ako nagbibilang ng araw, buwan, nagbibilang ng ako ng araw. Teamwork naman tayo. I understand your problem. And I know that you have a hard time because of, there's the due process, every rules. Now, if you want it done in a hurry, the power to appoint carries with it the power to dismiss. And since it's an absolute thing for lack of total loss of confidence, I'm removing them because they are not functioning. So we're wasting money paying for these idiots. Kalalaki pa naman ng mga allowances, mas sweldo niyan.